Yeah, so this shoe is light, but somehow this shoe is even lighter than that shoe. What's going on, everybody? I'm Jeff Robe, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? Today, you might seem like you're a little bit closer to me, and that's probably because you are, because I managed to lose the wide-angle lens that goes on my camera, and I'm not quite sure where it is, so I'll probably have to order one, and I'm not sure how many videos will be in between that coming in and me making videos. But if you do happen to see yourself a little bit closer to Jeff this week or this month, then that's why. If you prefer it this way, then comment down below and tell me to leave it this way, and I'll keep it without the wide angle lens. But it does make it a little bit easier to just kind of cram everything into screen, but I don't think it looks bad per se, but I'll have to check it out once we get to editing. I noticed it whenever I was making the last video. I think I dropped something and I reached forward, and if it got knocked off, like, it should just be like right here, but it's not, which means the dog might have got it. So yeah, I might just be SOL with that, but that's kind of been the mood of the month, is rolling with the punches. So we just got to put our head down and keep rolling. It's been a tough one this week in the month for Jeff, but you know, he's got to keep persevering, keep moving forward, and keep opening boxes for you guys. And that's exactly what we're gonna do today. I got a big one from JK Kick 6. I will drop all his stuff down in the Discord. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. I probably will be making a second channel as a backup here very, very soon when I get some free time. So make sure you got your eyes and ears open for whenever I make that announcement, just so you guys can still have some contact with me in the event that this channel goes bye-bye, which hopefully never happens. I try to follow all of the rules. All right, so it looks like we got some sneakers on the top right here. Let's pull them out. Going no box, but that's okay, because if you watch this channel, you know that we don't wear the box. So what do you need the box for? Looks like we're gonna bust open the second pair of Hokas on the Jeff Robe channel. This is gonna be the Pro Fly, very slick mesh upper with a very, very thin tongue. Very squishy on the inside. I kind of like the shark teeth that they got going on right here. Looks really nice. All white except for this bits of orange on the toe and on the sole. But if you know me, I dig the color orange. So I think these things are absolutely fire. Kind of has almost like a tiger stripe going on up there on the top of the shoe, and just a paper thin tongue. Paper thin. So designed for running, designed for being on the move, keeping your foot nice and comfy. And it does have a big heel strap, I just noticed right here as well. So if you want to hang the shoe up to dry, you can definitely do so. That's probably just to help get it on. Maybe if it slips off while you're in action too, you got a big target to grab to slip that bad boy on. What is this? That's a piece of the box. Yeah, so excited to try all of these out. I hope this one's in my size. Yeah, US men's 11. This, I guess, also can two-way as a women's shoe because it has women's size 12 in there. But nonetheless, absolutely fire looking shoe to start her off. The Hokas have been just absolutely popular. Lots of people wearing them at the hospital. And then also On Cloud. On Cloud is super duper popular. My golfing buddy Blake, he always loves the On Clouds. He golfed in On Clouds for a long time. And this one is a little bit more funky. Yeah, so this shoe is light, but somehow this shoe is even lighter than that shoe. Wow. Loving the colors on here as well. You got kind of a greenish turquoise with some yellow accents, just reminding you of that vacation you took when you were 8 years old. I dig it though. I dig it. That Hoka logo on these is going to be in blue as well. God, this shoe is light. Man, this is incredible, guys. It's honestly, this is the Rocket X2 carbon fiber. So this one more geared towards running. It says S48 by 29 V691C004. Does have that carbon plate like I just said, and you can see it because it's branded with Hoka right there. Not the most traction on the bottom, and these pads down here are actually pretty thin. A little bit thicker over here on this model, which is the ProFly Hoka 1-1 Time to Fly. So I'm gonna have to try both of these on and kind of see which one I'm digging more. I do like the sole on the white pair better, but the colors on this one are just fantastic. I think it looks great. Got that sole right there. Very cool. Hoka logo on the flip side as well in blue. Very cool. Kind of like a tiger that is green, turquoise, and yellow. It is kind of green underneath, if you can see down here. Man, these shoes are cool. I really haven't done a lot of stuff like this. Mainly just because I haven't been in that lifestyle in a couple of years, but now that I'm kind of more back in it, I'm starting to, you know, kind of peek around. And it's not that you can't wear J's to the gym, but it's, I don't know, I don't think, the way that I prefer the shoe to kind of be cinched on my foot, I found like the J's aren't really the best. Jordan 1, yeah, absolutely. And then if I'm gonna do something that isn't a leg workout, or I know I'm not going to walk a lot that day, I'll probably wear the 4s. But besides that, if I wear Jordans to the gym, it's a Jordan 1 low or Jordan 1 high. I typically wear Jordan 1 highs on leg day, but typically I'm wearing, you know, the Yeezy 700, perfect gym shoe. Absolutely. You can walk on the treadmill for 30 minutes and then it has enough, you know, cinch and comfortableness that if you needed to bust out a workout, you don't have to worry about your shoe falling off or falling apart either. I think that two ways, but I'm curious to see these Hokas kind of if I want to wear them when I'm doing a workout or if I just want to wear them on the days that I'm going to be doing cardio, which is typically 45 minutes to an hour with an objective goal of burning about 300 calories. So, is this Lululemon? Man, dude. JK Kick hooking it up yet again. I just got some Lulu stuff. I loved it so much. I wanted to get some more, and it looks like he has pulled through. So not only is he getting our feet situated in the gym, he's also going to be getting our drip situated for the gym. And this is a cotton, I believe, a sweatshirt, and it is so soft. Man, this is soft. Oh my goodness. Oh, dude. Dude, like blanket soft, like Hobby Lobby fabric aisle soft. And the inside, oh, the inside, it's like a fur fuzzy blanket. Man, let's go. Let's go. I do believe this is probably going to be in the $60-ish, $65 range, but compared to what they're charging at the store, that is a pretty good deal. The quality on here is great as well. These things just last forever. It does have the Lulu logo on the back of the neck right there. It says 60% cotton, 40% polyester. This is an XL. The Sweat Life Tee, hot sweat style. Let the faith in your heart take you on a run to a wider world. For love, even if you stumble but forget, more fearlessness, no longer doubt. Face your fears, give your heart and soul to each moment. Listen to the voice of your heart. You are a creator of change. Be passionate, focused, and courageous. Let's live the possible together. Philosophy and perspective, exploration, and practice. Goodness gracious, does Lululemon put that type of stuff on all of their tags? What the hell did I just read? Wow. It says why we made this. That's kind of cool. I mean, little over the top, Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if we got to break into a philosophical theory to swell us. I don't think we have to break into a philosophical theory to sell a blank gray sweatshirt. But who am I? You know, I'm just the review guy. What do I know, right? There's more stuff in this box, but that's kind of funny. You got to admit, it's a gray sweatshirt, and there's like this deep philosophical quote on there. All right. These are sick. Yeah, it's on here as well. Same quote. Yeah. So, gray sweatpants, XL, does have taper at the bottom right there, so they're going to be kind of cinched down. These do look long enough. I do kind of have that issue where I can't ever get stuff to be long enough for my long spider legs that I got, but I think these are going to be good. They are kind of a polyester whoosh whoosh material. They're not a cotton traditional sweatpant, so going to be perfect for the gym, perfect for everyday wear. Does kind of have more of a mesh lining inner. I'm not too sure how transparent these are going to be. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see your underwear through them or not. That does kind of look a little thin, but you know, just don't wear bright yellow underwear underneath these and you'd probably be okay. Or do whatever you're into. Does have the slightest bit of black piping as well, just going down the entire pant, but you know, with the black top, this thing is going to be absolutely fire. I'm excited to try it on as well, just to see what they are going to fit like. It does look perfect in the waist though. I'm going to get the Lulu branding down here on the leg as well. All right, yeah. Very nice. So if you're someone that loves, you know, just kind of those athleisure style fits, and you want to save yourself some money, JK Kick is the guy to hit up. I will post his stuff over on the Discord about the time I'm dropping this video. DHgate does have some, but I don't quite think it's been as nice as this has been. And plus you get direct contact to him and expedited shipping because they use UPS and FedEx versus the China mail system that most DHgate sellers use because they're trying to save money as well. But yeah, I'm Jeff Robe. Thanks for tuning in today. It's been an absolutely great video. We got 2 pieces of Lululemon and 2 pairs of Hoka. I'm excited to get all this stuff on. So look forward to a later on review of most of these products, which I plan to make. Subscribe to the channel, join the Patreon, join the Discord, and I'll see you guys next time when I got some more stuff for you.